Veja more.
Vela Veja.
Thank you Veja.
Ewa itsithi ka ba ngiloya ngiyagula ngipholi ngishila izandla zahlubeka. Hey.
Ukubuya kwakho.
Sanibona Zondo ngisiyophuya Mathieu kana ngesikhabe intana semkodi khona le Kenza. Bathi umkhenza la shaya thethi so manje wena uthini ngalento leyo Steve?
Ngithi yakuzwa. Yakhuzwa.
Wena uthini bo?
Uyathethiswa.
Ay sengiba introduce ngaleyo ndlela ke. Nayizwa lento makathi ngiba introduce Green ngibe out of Green yabo. Ngayi ngaku right wangu. Bethi manje kwa police. Yabo.
Zakhala.
Eshayikisisi. Yayizwa lento.
Uthi Kenya
Kule OAC siyayizwa lento. Awuzi bravo.
Hola. Thank you bafethu. Steve Mavocha. Merry Christmas bafethu.
Danko.
Sibuyile. Nanoma ngandlula saseda. Merry Christmas bafethu. Sisonke. Oh yebo.
Bakade siyabuya sizangayi ngaku left wethu.
Senzeni?
Left wethu. Suka na face touch.
Yabo mangithi sisaseda. Saseda ku Christmas.
Sizangaku left wethu ngayi ku Spobesh. Spobesh.
Hayi angangizwa.
General siyabo. Danko general lo khona somangithi Spobesh.
Uyazwa.
Hayi batho masifika ngayo ku left yasiphethe siya general. General Kutse.
Siya Kutse.
Oh yebo.
Siya Kutse.
Yabo.
Sibobeshi coach.
Ile yomkhaba le.
Okay bafethu.
Ile yomkhaba le.
Yini khaba?
Ubani?
Sibobeshi.
Wenzeni?
Nomkhaba.
Lesi elokhithi wenze.
Nomkhaba uyabona na.
Ayibukela mfethu sithuka.
Yimi umuntu yakhe hleli
Ni coach.
Hey coach, masimosha ukuthi papa ngapha kene. Talking about Bafana sibo AFCON yashuba things are getting real tough. Talking about that, hey, mina bafethu side lami le game le Egypt ngishota nge-creativity in the middle.
Asicale ngele Angola.
Asicale ngele Angola.
Angola.
Siyeza ku Egypt.
Andamani ngikenyile le game le.
Uvya nathi lisikenyile
Sigcina
ngalo lelo ntana yami.
Njengoba bese ngishila amajito bafuna uqala ngeAngola neBafana. So sikhiphani khuluma nami.
Angola idliwe. Bafana.
Yeah.
Apolice.
Angifana negoli kaMrini mfana. Force yamgora ngala mawusayita.
Bafethu. Na here's the thing ka Frost la bafethu. Any player could have been offside.
That's not the only play. That's
ke hard. Maka any player that not offside. That's just unfortunate to Mremu thola ball so look through le ngolo na loko offside. So the mistake is but then it's fine. It showed you like Mzansi. Gabalata.
Okay, Shaq, I want to mistake wakana. Like game ya Egypt don't say the very same thing.
Ratla ko Egypt.
No, like what I want to get your highlight and so EPT into
EPT.
Hey. So every time but the player is kupura yena wasala. Mo bola se khutla. Sale late go tshwantsa khutle.
Ijeve yami why bayenza kanjalo? Leli track izibhazi thing.
Exactly yabo.
Why?
That's why any player
why
could have been offside.
Bangabuyi like igame. Ibhola lingabuyi.
Nganthola.
So njalo bona mabada encane leli ngeke.
Ngithanda ukulala ke le yami ecede ukuza ibhola elale sil recover usasele.
Nalento is questionable nakhona futhi ungaquestion uzibuza ukuthi wenza kanje or maybe is it match fitness. Phela kwamele Mo striker, you must know ukuthi wena uhlala onside. Every time uphuma le kwamele you must retract back with jogging, right? So if you're doing lento leyo time and again, what does it say about you? Is it something that you used to or is it via image fitness or ukuba fit?
Ufit undawo. Nje angazi mentality yabo isuke kwenzakalani nje.
Mhlambe usuka ngekho egaming to that point. Unokulahleka egaming.
Lokusisha off understand Ju ukuthi mabacabanga ukuthi ibhola emalili ngelibuya or bafuna ukuthi bascore. I don't understand Ju.
Mfana. Ngicela notamele be 3-1 score ne.
Hey, umreme akutshela ukuthi mina mfethu lezi zamatikita kanko mina ngibeke space ngizokubonisa.
Ngiyashaya.
Mfana walibe. Leyo goal lihle because lapha bamphatha umreme drop shoulder yalala leyo. Left same time akabuzanga.
Yazi ngincane ngalela goal la kaMrimi. Le run yakhe leya ngiyangena landlula ibhola wena sala defender ngidle mina
phela bhola etla so enena nokuthi uthwaka ka left ayisini ajumpisa lento amrobatsa ka mina kena ka
kona le ngikincanyile ngagolile it's a VAR
first time short
eka VAR
first time short
Amaka mina ngiyakhala ngo-officiating ye-AFCON no.
Siqale ngegame le-Angola.
Ngisho la ngiyangikho ku-Egypt mina ngisho la emfethu sirotshiwe phela nalo game le-Angola phela.
Sirotshiwe
Nona le penalty. Enohlabe bakugaya yona ignore Riv.
Moba shaya mangikhulisa umndaba.
Yeah.
Asigame e-Egypt.
Ya-Angola. First game. Mekhamele bakuthotse a penalty. VAR.
Oh, I think I saw it on the right hand side.
So far the game di grand ne. Diyadlala mnati but then I think this VAR thing le
it's too much.
Officiating khala ngayo nje kuphela apart from everything ama-game agree.
It's gonna work against ngiyakutshela mina. It's gonna work against Southern
Hemisphere.
Southern
Hemisphere uringi VAR. Une point la because of
and it's gonna be good for North Africans. I'm telling you, uzobona
now. Like it's not consistent.
Even against Morocco, same thing.
Even against the game like Nigeria and Tunisia, same thing. Le penalty le basinayo yona thina, ile penalty wakaya iTunisia.
Uthi mkhohlwa. Ngiyakutshela mina. I mean mfana igame le-Angola ne yeah mfana sifuna ukuya kule ndaba le ngoba manje iyasikhenya mara igame le-Angola ane mina ngizokutshela no before ukuthi ngasho ngizoqala no Hugo Bros ngimthembile mara ngathi coward jo from egame le-Angola jo
I saw
from egame le-Angola
I saw your comment. Bonile status sakho yangibonile.
From egame le-Angola for me you are a coward. Slida 2-0. Abantu ayikuthi bayeza 2-1.
Okay, I think I know where you're going.
It's not like ngathi bayeza bas attacker. Hey, you have to defend. Uyangithola? Aphili ngekho njalo le game liya. We're introducing ama player 3 adlala ngokufana in the middle. Uthi senzini masiphethe ibhola. So tshunani ngedisk. Because labantu bafaka phakathi abakwazi ukudlala idisk. Not ukuthi abakwazi ukudlala ibhola.
Some ball players like
some ball player.
They're not creative on the ball.
Yeah.
Sponsor u destroyer nje.
Utebza Mkwena akekho Lewis mazinga khona. And a human being anye siyele nale expect ukuthi uzoba yangithola. Ufaka ama player 3 adlala ngokufana. We expect ukuthi masiphethe ibhola senzini.
Obviously masiphethe lokho sidlala siyemuva.
Bheka makaqeda wenzani ufaka umkwana. Ufaka umkwana. Ukhipha unkotha. Unkotha nomkwana.
Into eyi-1.
Adlala ibhola eliwa.
No, ukhipha unkotha wafaka umremi unkotha.
Yeah, sengiyasho ukuthi ama player wafakile. Yeah, ukhipha unkotha ufaka unkotha VV yangithola. Ufaka ama player adlala ngokufana. Ama natural winger le outlets they play winger njengoba close kholela. Yangithola bafuna makeza kuwe uyakulanda and uzoya le and makangayile uzoya le and uzoyenza into eyi-1 ufaka that person nje uthi masiphethe ibhola sithuneni ngebhola
because ithe makaqeda ungena umkwana akabonakala
losatlamela mkingi
nix umuntu wenza impact la umreni
namfethu ngithatha igolo zena arile mfana ngiyabona okay faded side la mncane side namfethu mo gaming eyaZimbabwe I think they should make him number 10 because he's creative but not creative kodwa side you understand if come at number 10 momwari kuyawutshela mfana that's what we'll see really in this game because what ka game ya Egypt abamkenya second half ka side akabona real game tseba.
Do you know what they did? Yazi coach Egypt enzini yamazi ureal ithe mabafaka ureal naye wayenza substitute wa over power lela side leli ureal bekadlala kulo ubheka ureal bekuyi2 men
lo
maka bekungasi 2 men kulawa manye bebadlala from there but uthi maba introduce ureal uvele wathi lo wadla al-Ahly ngiyabakhumbula wavele wal overpower lela side leli so ucoach that is why ngitshela ukuthi la coach leya mina ngifila ngazuthi coward jo you have players yangithola umfakile umkwana ngeAngola azangadlala awuthi yami angithi ufuna abantu abadlala kuleyo level Shandre Khambile udlala kuleyo level jo ngabe ufaka uShandra kule game le-Egypt angamfaka umkwana akasigayanga next makamfaka la fakele new winger jo fakele new winger how can uthi sithi siyadlala ne sifuna ukuwina sibe number 1 egroupini yethu mara siyangena ngegame le-Egypt ufaka ama-player i-3 yayenza the same thing
badlala into eyi-1
awakugayanga next ku-Angola. What makes you think azogaya something new?
Grand Sharp uyimoshe esiswini number 10
bamdlalisa bekayi-8
ubani ulona mina
umbule bekayi-10
bamdlalisa eze 10
10
umkwena
8
eze 8 and then lo ya deep of which siyacava ukuthi umbule
not really bekuyile into bayibiza double pivot
double pivot two defensive and one attacking yam overpowered riding akakhona ukuzidlalisa umbule because of laba bazomaka kuphela and then makumela dishape lo zizom overcrowd lezi ezinye
nomkwena akakhona ukudlala
exactly. So why angafaki adlale ngelona ngedeep A1 adlale nge CM A1 ezo shape of two box and then
kube umkwena
umbule makuthi uyamqala kube yi-link up yes yeka Frost or whoever striker kube yi-link up nje just to dish out those passes. I think ingaspana because of mangabheka le game leli ubani Sithole, I'm not saying he's a bad player. Sithole uyadlala khona la simdinga khona but then khona la singamdingi khona sifuna ukudlala la isizini phela imidlalo yethu ayidlali ayidlali at all ayidlali kidali nge-overshot one siphumbule throughout the qualifiers siphumbule nombono like nale plan nadlala jwang nadlala kanye ngamkwini siphumbula le yipili adlala as number 8 siphumbule if ukambera as number 8 utokhona etsa into because of that the position yayo mobeda umbono kwetsala because of now that's when utokhona bona bo police ba khona udlala ushabe like mostly the win ke first game ka Angola unkota bekangekho why no sina provider mthomgayanga and unkota usually abamsponsor as an outlet speed high uthole maybe they article and then uthola disk redlala lonke unkota we know na le speed utloba na le mang link up etlohlala membo ma police or whoever hlala mo mari wa understand that way khona attack ka rutwana ka transition so like ke ntho ne sa etsale riding ka game yo
mbule mfethu ke na riding yari mbule mfethu ka refa ntho e batlang ne but ayona le boslow wae man
ke feel nkare
wa tse game mbule ga mtse mfethu ke motho le go game ile go dimling wa go kama down adlale ball but game ile fast mfana what round mfana
magalete nakhona ngibone ibody language yakhe yabona aqeda lose iball okay kuyabona nje body language it says a lot kambulo wena akutsibo khathele or are you comfortable kuma bodlalisa nkoteni
wena uchonka if ne bamdlalisitse as link up ya number 10
exactly la khona o yetsa whatever batlang o yetsa that's when go tlo khona ngombona because of no siyadlala but then asina link up eslinkana ne-strike iplayer elizothi lisiconnecta nelona yabo
kumele kuya ngami ni game le-Egypt bengifuna ukuthi baqale
hence uri
basigaye respect
and
because bebasicaba
exactly
ball players yangithola ziyadlala uyafika wena ufaka ama-player i-3
defensive midfielder
bani expect ukuthi umbatha yenzeni eze-10
angeke kadlala
and ethi ukubonisa yabona le game le-Egypt if ngisarecalla grand njengoba thina bezela ngabantu abayi-3 abafanayo nelokhuzana i-Egypt isacrifice i-play ilokhuzana i-playmaker ufaka i-defensive because bebabona ukuthi siyeza
tsele diyayithupha mzansi to stop it and the first straight league into zenyani tsetsanke mzansi ulishebe tsele diyadlala didlala long ball where South Africa go tshwara ball remo lelenge mfeti yabakhinya bathu baba frustrated that's why nebali baba compact akakasha makhinya yabona ane didlala le box uthitha didlala le box
Hugo Bruce nosathwanela nta police la a police kena mutho le creative
engamela ngikhipha police
nosathwanela manje
phela manje bangathi uthola ubheka igame ethu ne masingana play masingakhona ukudlala ibhola sisemasayidini akunamuntu osifaka ibhola emaphakathini and apolice akazi ukuthi uya-challenge la masayidi la khona ukushaya ama-through ball esiwafunayo
kididing ewu line-up ehayi kuyona emkhostile ngoba agcina sakhiphile apolice abantu etsang creativity kamfukeni because of middle field it's high di-too rigid
aphela mfana bethi ugadini yabona apolice
di-too rigid
and really ethimini yakhe i-starter
ngithola
i-starter it's because uyabona ukuthi la maplayer la kumele aze negame
exactly
kumele aze negame momfaka second half then expect ukuthi hey
umfakele presence magic
angeke azoyithune like
and obviously bazofaka Egypt yamazi simayinasa lo yabo badlali
yeah simple
simayinasa lo yabo badlali because already nje ukuya ngami besingana plan
and creativity nesi
iplanet mfethu it was quite obvious boyibhekile match ukuthi lama ball usalahlele esayidini Egypt yazibesenzani beyithi iyekele island lapha ku D-line yawo and thina yazi ukuthi masiza nebhola noma singafika ku D-line angeke siqonde phane sofuna ukulisa esayidini akamapalo nasi yale
nawe yakani mfana Hugo Broos uyisenze emidleleni vele 3 defensive midfielders kuthi ngona odlala mid low block
yona mfana
ongaba attacker bakwalela
phela police nagaba athi nebafila tsetsa Egypt ali makore ya
ayi bese kuba nelinye player
ubani ubani
ngezana
well ayisabonga ngezana yabo yashap hayi umbokazi bekamkhavela lambonile amabena njalo bekamkhayi ube shake ne ube shake
usile ngezana nakutshela ngezana manje ngezana zona unesite alide ngiyakere nekathoza la bhola ubone right no so shuba wetsa land referee jwale ko referee nabatla shaseta mthuli
no tlorkho
ene jwale ngoshaseta sa wetsa utswa gaming ucosta mbokazi wakhuphuka thomakela yena ngoba sasha over
mfethu igame le angolungisa score ungezana ukapile ya out of position number 1
lela bhola
le set
ukapha umuntu le khoneni le
for e
and askathi akusi threat ubhekele
wenze the same thing against Egypt uhlabele ya same position umuntu umfana wazombheka wazowata maka mfethu ya
ntona lela
wabona ukuthi indoda same thing
asuka akasemake mtho njalo uhlwa mahudula late
mfana no sebathi bamfakele height maka ngeke ayasibulala umbokazi ugcine sekamaphakathi so cause uyazi ukuthi lo yakhala zingakhala la
ekanalo mboka seka retract seka phutho mapusala lithi liya kulentwana eMan City seka la
mamushi
mfethu
uyabona it's like the outside 3 adiyabona throughout the game and I'm fine you must give credit where is due mbokazi mfana played wathi penalty nyawo hayi nakho makasala lingling bonke boy 3
I also believe Lili Limtao had a great game ka game
usela mfana
so like he had a great game for
well it was unfortunate
blind so uyakani na crank and that defense mbokazi Limtao yibo abayi like stabilize
nomndibudla
abeka
le game
udlala and yazi umdibe ngishayelana umdibe ngishayela into eyi1 unesikhathi whereby makabona ispace ukhona ukusi-attacker azithola sekaphambi kwebox a-attempt ukukora whereas umdawu lento asikayi yona usikayini uba offensive mas-attack u-add number sibabaningi ukhona ukwenza ngiyasquare ngishaye ivala kutha wena ngidlala khona la yabona kufuneka abantu abanjani abadlala nabomdawu abantu abakuthi no masisebhoxini la sizobulala la mele sigcwalele kufuneka aborila lapha ya urila lisa abantu lapha eboxini
unalinkinga nalungile
coach igwala le
boss nalento leyo sense of agents lento lokuthi maswini ibhola mas attack account we have more numbers they have less numbers abamba ibhola kube ngathi alahlela abantu ba recruit masesidlala futhi masesibuyisele sebaza kithi
ngiyawuthola but then until hayi mathita adlalile ki le lentse Hugo Broos yena tlamela lokise taba za hayi ayitholisisa hantle hore hey ke eZimbabwe mfana
never be easy game
they have a point to prove
never be easy
banal point tlamela be prove
easily like
never be easy
and nabantu laba basicawa
exactly So bona prove point ogaba
abantu ba relaxile basitshela ukuthi
Yeah, ngithola.
game ngiyalizoba easy libe easy Juma.
so trend nzansi re ka tjho e under pressure ka tselanyana tse ding
re under pressure
o ya gaming ya
Re
Zimbabwe
under pressure because no tla ko tjele ne noma ke re matsitse draw still a re tsebe hore Egypt ile ngola ba lo dlala jwang
so o ya ka wena gaming ya Zimbabwe rile tlamela starte o tlamela aqhubeke ka a police as a starter or Mrimi as a starter
namfethu if utlo qadisa Rile Santan Kella no mfethu Kenya Rile mbeko number 10
behind strike
yeah a police yena tsonta dula le teng but mfana for creativity for creative sake because ke a tseba go tshwara police kara o creative re tshwere Mfokeng o creative possibly but Mremi akitse but if it happens renal creativity mara ko ma site le ka hare
you're right ile na le plan Mfokeng as a amakadlala as a position
Number 10.
une plan.
kahle kahle mina
uyazimela
Le plan noma dlala everywhere.
yeah une plan
Ukuthi nje le coach le
number 10 uyidala
le coach ne Diamond. Mara ngazi ukuthi mfana ibelieve ukuthi mfana bonkotha abomkwana yiba bangayenza izinto.
mina still say
Une
yafana
play mfana mina yabona intwana uShandra. Ngamenzile iplan.
as a blind
Ngamenzile iplan le ntwana leya. But
uyasaba
mfana uyasaba mfana.
yazifana
Ikwala nje.
uyuko mfethu
mina kuba arrogant bakhe naye
yeah he's way too arrogant and another thing ningayithathi don't get it twisted but what you say uyuko dog unalento leyo ukuthi he believes in young talent ne but he doesn't believe in them inside the field of play
kilkwana
phela no wathi ngishebile ngezana yakana ngezana ngamdudisa fast kikene intwana ethi man Talon Smith or man
Tylon
yeah ikene intwana ena mo midliling actually number 10 ke lahlele Rile ke la police ke re ntho se tla bona se ke na fogetsa jwang ga tlo shaka substitution but win re icala game isa qala wa ngtshwara attack and aqeta mo force la ke mdisa fast ke kenya magopo
ngona se
amagopo tlo retsa plan Foster nona ntwe okay Foster wa hlala face don't get me wrong but mfethu ke feel nkare hauna that sense of agency dal boxing ska
ona threat ra ka tselanyana
Wona
tse
mathola mbolo mfethu dipalo okay kitse dipalo kwa yi wa bona okay aka se khona uthe akitse bo passage wa mbolo hospital pass ju I'm like o strike mfethu nka polo ibeka left so muthu le apha ta ntwetso nke asumkima asomoyeni mabantse ko bale alela ndukumana ubona is off target aka se khona ushaba iziking penalty spot ela fitla fela ya tatazela yabona ka sharper power behind the ball go
I mean, you've got nothing to lose.
yeah we've got nothing to lose you need to go all out
Midley.
you need to go all out and
mele balungisela
Azadlaleni. Dlala ngobani?
but kahle kwamele idlale ngo5 bazothi idlala ngo6
o game ya 6 utsho hayi
Da.
bazoyilungisa
Mina dlale 4-1-4-1.
yasizoyina kusasa mfana noma ngabantu
That is what I do. 4-1-4-1. Eh,
ngezana angaphuma ungafaka bani
ngihlalisa phansi
ma replace ungezana uka
Smith baba
Smith ne
Smith utekile
Smith
itawa anexuba bench la ke bone intwana ke mang
Tylon
fela ka ba bona baba
awuthi Smith
okay yabatla
Swiss.
bangamlahlela
Smith
uSmith
nyana le angithola
exactly
Ngithola.
lika area lugodi
Emuva ngachange yena kuphela.
yeah asimnandi
so okay asithini ke
Anoronwe
if we were to
novimbili
win
zo.
if we were to win
nge-Egypt.
game yakusasa what would be your first lineup what would be your first lineup
Yeah. Kule
Few
lineup le.
changes.
Yeah, it's few. Kule
Few.
lineup le ye-Egypt.
yeah yangolo ke Egypt
Ye-Egypt.
okay sharp
Ngiphuma ungezana emuva.
yeah
Ngifaka uSibisi. Emidlilini ngidlala i-4-1-4-1. Kule one le e-defensive midfield
by sacrifice
ngumkwena.
yeah
Angithi 4-1-4-1. Kule 4 le enye le 4 le. Ngifaka uMrimi apolice emasayidini, ngifaka uMbule noMfukeni. Ngifaka
ungona 6
uNasisi.
lineup yakhe icishe yafana neyami
ungona 6 that's the whole
actually
thing
yiyo ikanjalo ngathi cishe because
that's why ngisho
phambili nje ngifuna at least sithi ukushintsha kancane masingafaka uline and I think Mremi mfethu wathi Mremi mfethu nansoke realize tenkai Mremi he's a good super sub.
Yeah, impact player.
Yeah, nami yakuze
Asaqala le game.
Because aqala game ka kuba frustrated nje.
Yamimele.
Yoba shake
manje unkotha ngifanele lento ngayisho before iqala i-tournament. Yabo lento le ukuthi unama expectations. Mawangayenzakala azokhawathi i-tournament yakho yonke.
And bamdropile ngale game le.
Into engisho it's because of bekanama expectations yena. Asho ukuthi okay ngifuna ukumosha. And ucoach uyakubelieve uqala ngawuthi ka.
Oh maybe
ngithola
singacala ngomuntu abangamjwayelanga yena uShandri instead of Mremi.
Yeah, true.
Because of mina umkwana ngeke ngimdlalise yazi why.
Nami
Throughout ama qualifiers
akadlalanga.
Already tsesedinali understanding of each 112 and ufita safita also like 112
don't get me wrong kwana mfethu.
so ngikadlalisa Shandri Campbell because of obviously tsa Zimbabwe tse di ngadi mtsebi akaretsa tsa plan da una le speed technique not everything and offensive so like the interchange enzakalayo between le lena poyibizile Mbule and stuff noba Mfukeng a police interchange yabo sayicava sinini longa yini confuse nje ama defense umona sesi uyabadraw vele into esicavayo iplay yakhe ke
The
le
oppositions the play around the player tse loko ndatse bala bomkwena wabona mntwane uShani like
abamtsi
exactly leyo
ngithola ku-Egypt
Angola ka game Angola tshoko ba basakenya bomkwena lengileng nane kunano right king this guy abantu bontsha like abantu sebeyisa dithunya tsa kaofela and we understanding with that you understand but it's also bona Egypt view like
phela Egypt mfethu grand Egypt Messi Egypt vele yona nje ihle gaming ele tseba like that's again tsamzansi di dangerous ditlo le matha leza kahle bezithukile mina ngibone le bezimaka ngakhona
yake ngokuyidrop
ukuthi
and wathi usalabe la believe nokuthi uzoba
penalty no coach wakhona apparently naye beka questionable into ukuthi how was there a penalty then it goes back to African players they were like was it AFCON was it 2019 they were like if your area 2019 is better than this one is it's like there's more favor actually it's
2023
this one it's rigged.
That's why ngisho ngithi the only thing engikhalisayo officiating yala AFCON ever since iqalile tournament
phela la uthi liya usila makayenza isandla ibheka ukuthi ye fast kanjani kuyobheka iVAR
fast akazange
isikhathi ibheke ngale handball le bafana
and the funny thing mfana
uyimele
singukutshela ukuthi
isikhathi beka isikhathi ukuthi siphele ukuthi uba under pressure
lokuyi 88 minutes makaya ne how mfana how can 88 minutes igame balimisile elimile
then iphele exactly the time
limile lithi 90 bona ba 87 minutes igame elimile igame restarta nge92 minutes sime 4 minutes sime 2 minutes before the added time good be lebelimi igame wasiceda ueda 3 iceda nge199 minutes does it make sense
and I want to referee mfana like the time he took to go and consult with the screen sake it felt to me like he wanted to delay things so that we don't pay attention to the penalty so that we just forget about it and continue the play. We cannot continue the play because waqala nje penalty uphile ophisane nayo.
Here's the thing. Ujaji foul.
Yeah, le handball. Maqeda akasiphi ball.
Oya ku VAR. Qali drop ball ngicaba keeper Egypt. Like mfana
South Africa ibheka
AFCON ne. Ngiyabona ukuthi iVAR it's for the North African teams.
Oh, mele winiliza.
Yeah.
So we know yini.
Because in fact sheba di game.
We know.
Sheba di game. We know. Game ne. If Southern Hemisphere plays against the Northern, Obale Didier referees always gonna be looking out for the Northern.
Obvious.
Because now it's like the game person in a little racist
obvious because we are black Africans.
Then nalento le anginjalo divert mina kancane uMbappe no Dembele njengoba support lentona le
Hakimi.
Yeah. But racism, how's it racism? Can you care to explain? Like I'm lost. Cause maybe I feel like bathi babuza ukuthi why ba support Tunisia banga support
Morocco. Mbappe ke mpentja Hakimi.
Yeah. Ne Morocco king team I support.
National skipper sala in sa Morocco.
Yeah, but why ba support Morocco instead of support?
So ba racial leading you.
Yeah, but it's racism. Not understand. Like I don't get it.
Racial how so?
Like
Because
I'm
of
failing to understand.
it's like support Europe support. So like
And then I call of it.
Mina engishaye izile
Facebook.
njengoba bekudlala Algeria. Ubona goalkeeper bekuba.
Yeah, Zidane.
Incosi kaZidane.
Yeah, Ntwana kaZidane, yeah.
So incosi kaZidane Algerian. Yena uyase France.
Lena kill Nigeria. Kill Algerian.
Yena
But
se
then he
France.
chose to play
For France.
This
yeah.
one he chose to play.
Ntwana kisi choose Algeria.
Yeah, switch it.
Ntwana kisi switch ukuthi mina ngirepresent Algeria.
Oh,
Not France.
Yena wathi you represent France.
Yeah, uZizwe.
Oh.
So which is possible akadlalanga ku first team. Akadlalanga ku first team yelona yeFrance.
Yabona lento le qeda
akadlalanga.
Nalento ngicela ukuyiraise ukuthi it goes back to okay, remember racism, I think it's racism, it's way too stretched, but why can you leave your country and pay for a foreign country?
I was leveling it
Remember ilona Algeria. Most of my players azalele France vele. Most my player we Algeria. Azalele France.
Yeah, noma ngazalele France mara kini.
Shuthu Mahrez ngabe uzikhethele France.
Exactly.
Simple.
Wakhetha iAlgeria.
Lento le
so Zidane
preference nakhona but nama ngeke ngisuke la ngize okay, let's say bathi ngumSaudi ngizalele England, then because of the standards of whatever then I go play for England nakhona it's beneficial in terms of regarding a career yakho but then again your roots bra.
It's like Lukman.
Mara uZidane uthiyami.
It's like
uma represent Algeria.
It's like Lukman in fact who represent England until under 21.
Then he decided to come.
Then what decided to Nigeria.
Why?
Something there John Obi Mikel wakhala ngayo. Nikhulela ngale mase nibona ukuthi nabheziseka ngada senifuna ukuza ngayini representative engile. Ilona nithi ama-roots wena ase-African yara kahle benis undermine one piece akha England imbhayizisile la ngokukhongo no
kawufela tswana le nabo Boateng bangaba
so like intonyana ezinjalo
abo Aubameyang izinja
abo Andre Ayew ditsoletse France they chose Ghana because of their father obvious.
That's how it is. But you go to roots, despite money.
Exactly. So ufana lintwana Zidane. You choose Algeria because of whatever like the roots of Algeria.
And so time you must follow your roots, you must teach you follow yours.
Why not Zidane is from Algeria, so like up to in France.
And it's like
Zidane is a big name. It can't compare.
No matter who's like Algeria, you as Zidane.
So
Zidane coach IPT.
Zidane.
Coach.
Because kunenye team yangaphe Africa nayo. Bayahalela ukuthi zengabatshela ukuthi bayambhadala kwamele adlale.
Ubani?
That's why Kibota or Zidane like man South Africa's coach team efing because apparently
the player in you. It's a large country. Of course, not lamilit loko of course ke re tlo
Senegal or King Senegal between Senegal or King
Bayahanedit.
Senegal or Cameroon between those two.
Bayahanedit already. Due to what? That's why injury ngai man.
Yeah, right.
That's why injury ngai man. So kana abuya uFabri wamdlalisa only few games afuna ukumbona ukuthi progression yakhe iva kanjani until athi he's our player, we're paying him a lot of money. Now the African side labona ukuthi lo muntu lo wethu wangayi awuyikhulumi lento ukuthi nimbhadale imali mina represent ilona e-country yakhe
lo muntu lokho angadlali lokho angadlali lapha
exactly
manje uFabregas into enga-understand ukuthi okay lo muntu lokho angadlali because bambizile ngala uza ne-excuse ukuthi ufuna ukumsebenzisa umfaka kule game le angene kuyo and ngasikade umuntu lomfaka kuleyo game le inhliziyo yakhe ayikho lapho ufuna ukuya ngale because lokho angadlali and wena uyamvalela indlela phela let's say for example akahambi which guarantee do we have ukuthi umchita lo uzodlala la kuzothola i-game time kule team yakhe domestical team?
Fabregas.
Marcus Fabregas ukhuluma ukuthi siyambhadala.
So
Because once a player.
so
why does he have
so
to
ke
do
tsona
like
la
this?
dintse
You're a
ne di
great
sa
player,
Mikel aka
Don't
mamela
be
di
a
podcast
dumb
sa
coach.
Mikel watch or like the Europeans, remember the Europeans are the AFCON is a big tournament
That's
yala
fine, they'll
the
regard it
Kawata
once.
the Kawata calendar I think re bule ka
Yeah,
yona
re
last
buile ka
previous
last time.
so like ke yona la ding e tsang go like African teams re reach so whenever bo Fabregas ba bua ntho tse so nana Fabregas o rata ba ikae a tlo bua ntho e buileng gore ba mpatela new ke pa and then ka sign contract player is sign contract
But the thing is,
okokuqala bamfonanga
yena
ama-services
yena
wabo.
nadlala bholo
Wanthola.
kunakhona lo dlala bo di-euro what nasina muthu namjutsa ka ubhadala.
Rem-
Yeah,
rem-
that's what I'm saying.
rem-
Like, in case I'm a competitor,
remember
still
Europe ababona Africa babona into
Baba,
right
Wanthola. But
So,
as long as we
that's-
play nationality,
exactly.
nationality against nationality, then it has to be respected.
ke yona different
Irregardless of whatever.
bona ba respect Africa phela
Yeah, it's fine. They will
You
respect
see.
it. They will
So-
respect it. After this AFCON, they will respect it.
so nje Fabregas superstile ngokuthi bampatale new
Yeah,
ke player yabo
Mina ngokutshela live, uma ngayibukele
Yabo,
podcast,
so like
ngiyapapa.
we
You're a
floped
great player. Don't be a dumb coach.
ngiyangithola so like Fabregas usikhostile makai Senegal manje nayidlala i-draw ne-Congo if ever le
Cabanga,
players
if
le
le
Senegal
play
Manje, which
Yabo.
ama-team owabonile wena? Which are the best teams so far for you?
okay yazi kuyenzakalani
Yeah.
i-Congo
Mhm.
i-Congo i-team e-collective ne
Mm.
Congo yeza I'm not saying ukuthi bazoshaya those team or in makabayeza khona iplay one engiyibonile ka Congo ebabizwa Sadik
Mm.
iyeza leya amadlebe leya yabo leya
Ubumgogo.
Congo
Masiphuma bonumber
Yibo Mkoko, yibo Mkoko.
Masiphuma number 2 sodlala nani?
Cameroon
Sisegroupini.
or
Uko group B.
Ivory Coast.
so dlala
Yeah,
team
Ivory
ekuyo
Coast, ngino Congo ite.
Cote d'Ivoire.
Hey, but it's not Ivory Coast. Cote d'Ivoire.
Cote d'Ivoire
Ivory Coast. Ngiyazi ngaleyo simo.
mina so far mfana iCongo yabo mangibile ngibheka green okay sharp ngiyabona bo Morocco nani ngiyacaba ama favorites nani ke Senegal inama player ukuthi vele big names but then abangangayile into engifuna maka for mina i-team engidlalelayo so far engidlalelayo i-DRC Congo nje
Oh.
yabona iCongo leyo badlala ngakhona nanoma ungabakoka kucala ju le team le ibonisa ihanga ukuthi yazini sila ukuzodlala ukuzoperform not to add numbers ukuthi
That's guy Nigeria
Yangithola.
time for ama qualifiers.
uyangithola icale that day so baphethe leyo mentality ukuthi yazini lapha ya we need to showcase ukuthi yazini at last sizo participate sayifuna le cup so
Bazoba roho, bazothola ama North African.
uyangithola so like ngibone
Spook.
I think inexhibile game yabona le Senegal bagayile Senegal problem and there was a time whereby Senegal some of the players were not frustrated because of now so bona tse di batla go tla ka aggression di batla mara still tse di compact tsa DRC di tsang di ga re le fa go wantshwa so I think for me for now Congo DRC ingizela grand ingizela kahle I'm not saying they are the best but then ingizela grand
Ngakukotela still ngithame
Amari Nigeria.
thina ke bengisasho ukuthi nama out wasemzansi actually not ama out but Mzansi nje in general we give credit where it's true. Nigeria played well yesterday and mina team yami ngibonayo ukuthi it will go through and push through and through till the final whistle final South Africa. Ngijika ngishintshe ukuthi angithengi nabuso.
Yeah.
I'm
So group ama African teams.
Mzansi
All the way. Otherwise,
Mzansi.
this is lezi zizosoropa lezi.
Realistically.
iphiwe etafuleni na ku Egypt angithi sayobhiwa etafuleni
Bari bile.
so
Le game leli avela ipodroom ndia uyalibona.
boardroom win
But then again,
Labuka ipodroom.
what does the president have to say about this?
bamshutila Rovita umbona Mtsipe bekalela lapha ngigame le Senegal bona ukhathele
Not only about game of South Africa only, but other games like yesterday's game, Tunisia penalty that was awarded was okay, yeah. Like there's so many things happening, and I mean I'm feeling at VAR. nama favorites wawo njengoba sesishilo.
One of African teams. Yeah, bayenzele bona le VR le.
Bomele dominate le phezulu eMasai nezansi.
Bafuna kusale bona la.
So my question is, njengoba bathi in Nigeria say qualify le knockout
Yeah, I qualify.
Yeah, I want to ask in regards to that. Ishayile Tunisia, right? And it got 6 points. And Tunisia is singile ka hore e khone go ga di-goal if ne sa re kore netlo ba keng goal difference ya minus whatever. So now let's say Tunisia ya wina. E wina ka goal tse 5 sa pasa Nigeria, what happens?
Tunisia ina la points, na 3 points.
Ina 3 no, I win about 6 and no let's say ba kona more than 2 or 3 goals.
Nigeria tlamele jiwe.
Okay, la utlwa ntse ke tjho sheba Nigeria no let's say Tunisia wina 1-0. Nigeria to shot Tunisia ka goal difference.
So no, but
until it's like the boozy question. You can understand. Yeah, the first whatever if it reaches 6 points qualifies automatically. So my question is, if Tunisia was to beat whatever team that is going to be playing with, actually against Asia, let's say 3 or 4-0, getting the 3 points and goal difference, will they qualify versus Nigeria, or will Nigeria still qualify, or like it sits that way?
If Nigeria win, it will depend on what you win or yadliwa. If yadliwa, then Tunisia win ngalo magoal, then Tunisia kuzoba number 1.
You understand, because kunala ngazi bengikho ukuthi ngizwe grand ukuthi njengoba badlala ama game ethu ba win 6 points, it stays like that. But now bengiloko ngisibuza ukuthi
Tunisia na 6.
Penal 3 points. Nigeria if it can draw. Okay, not draw, I can lose.
Nigeria ipatela draw, that's the thing. Ke o thola. Idala le Nigeria.
Idala le tla bona group ya bona ke Tunisia le Tanzania le Gabon.
Badlalile Tanzania. Abadlala Tanzania.
Abadlala Tanzania, badlala le Gabon.
Badlala le Gabon, yeah.
Hayi Gabon ngabagaya sasemnyana.
Gabon or Uganda.
Uganda between the two.
Abodeniswa Nyango.
Uganda, I think.
And Uganda cisha win. Uganda is all what? Yo Messi penalty le konje kima ndane bayithepile ngabaringinyani the upcoming star Messi penalty yo. And ya Kenya yazi ya Kenya. If you are mfethu kwamele ube like isikhathi like seconds. Lento lokuthi kwamele silinde mfethu mina sengichanneled. Maqedza ngilisa isikhathi eside manje sengiyaphuma kule nto le.
Hayi VR ayikho slow. Abantu slow uref. Uref bayamtshela ukuthi hey chief thina sibonile kuna something ngabobheka wena wenza into yakho. That's why abantu bebakhala ukuthi why kule game le bafana. That guy uthatha isikhathi for ukuthi ayu review ilo. Like wow uthatha isikhathi eside kanje. Ivari shayile sponsor baringa na bakutshela ukuthi hey mfethu thina sibona into sono hamba uchecka la. Because bona bahleli bayabona in real time bay rewind bayenzana in. Hamba uchecka la. Wena yena why waste isikhathi? Because
umile mfana
bekangafuni ukuyigaya ready. So makaya da uyevele sikazi ukuthi uzoba ne-excuse ukuthi haya ngibagaya. Makafika la wathi uwilo that guy akawanga. Uslidile bekablock iball.
Ofi.
And manje umkhwenya lapha nakhona it was a miscue ne, but uyikhahlele iball la shaya isandla, so what?
Yeah, that's not for me. That's sliding. You were sliding.
And in Kenya, every now and then, or it's an incident so, we shall the rules setting.
And the game, I think it came out.
But so we rule, but because balance. Like 18 years balance.
I let's see in thing I show in a cave. Sundowns, what to sign Adams. But suddenly, there's a new rule. Most any player channel can go register. How? Because of the Bafunu register to because we got captured. And so
FIFA rules.
So now, yeah, one good see we ended that go have go kef. Bas patalisa ge basenza yona ge.
Asapatala street. See nation.
Yeah, see nation
sapatala ge.
Sapatala. Angazi umjita ngathi bekenzani bekawile wathi uyasukuma ukusukuma angazi isandla senze ngathi wathasha ibhola.
Khona kwaFcon.
Yeah.
Ile game le Morocco.
Athi yasukuma
ene bayigayile
ne ipenalty yakhona.
Hey, bari wethu ntseng. bari letswele o le extendile if o le motho emelang o emella jwang tshwanetse o emelle ska robot o emelle la mana emela vele o emella letso vele la swinga le rosha bolo bari penalty and bona ela qeta hore yacho in the straight VAR emshayeli but it's a step over
ana VAR mfethu ikutshele ne ito sinya tournament
it's already
say sports
kana ona ntante ne tshwantse
bafuna ukuthi Egypt qualify grand
kahle bazi mashala Morocco
phela bekuzoba i-draw le bekuzoba i-1-1 yangithola so bebabona ukuthi hey lezi zakora la le penalty laba bayashoda laba bayi-10
zingashaya
hayi tsepo nalelo bengeke imgaya la red card
bengeke imgaya
manje azubhayiswe yini imkape kwesithule and manje le ikhadi leli khadi noma bangathi yangithola yavele wabhayisana and I think ufile na guilt ukuthi actually zingesigayini penalty mfana usala mfana ibhola mfana belilima mfana
phela mshila kana control of the ball
and a off target
and it wasn't intentional
yeah
and it wasn't intentional vele nelithunyana ukuprotecta ball mfethu plomela fairway
and besides
iskijwalo mfana akitlo kama phela hlamele ki extended zone
ubheke noma bayibuyisele emuva uqale ngalesandla lesi singayiwathi
acanga ukuthi ungaphi
but that means ugijima kanjalo uthi
ukhatha njalo vele se ubheka usela namagame wonke amagame uthanda
urevu lapho ufike wathi tlatla what decide what mara kithi
what decide Liverpool
what decide Liverpool
yabo kumele vele bakhuphule igama lakhe yabo so
wathi ma fans wabona hey
favorite ase Egypt
sekasela abantu la sekasilabo labantu
but anyway
people
but nevertheless
Kausani Machenzi klamele bayilukise Kausani ka Zimbabwe yabo ba redeem and then revive rokopana le bona and group stages obvious amachitamela hlanje
man Nigeria no kids ko Facebook
tsona ska diketse
number ke share bana
tse di bula ke hype tse di speed bula ke hype tse ba le speed le za ma drug le za
la ba ring bona ko like what differentiates South Africa let's bare Zimbabwe is a team that plays with heart and what not self-proclaims Mzansi so are you saying Zimbabwe is better than us? That's what you say. Are you saying Nigeria is better than us? When
Egypt is half time.
Mina leza zingithusi grand leza ngishilo ngathi these West African teams. Mina zingithusi leza. Because of ngiyacava ukuthi lezi zethu egame yamagame naso yazazi ukuthi like didlala jwanda perform wabo only if coach ufaka iphasesa grand udlala game yayishap dikhatsa grand
that's the thing coach weak award
ama play nakomela kube lento ukuthi ama game akanje siya perform we have to perform in each and every game lento ukuthi siya
perform each and every game maka if wabona like incident ezenza Egypt naka perform grand mara naka sa khona udlala due to midfield and weekends
into engisho if
mina naka creativity
sengicalculate ama points ngangena egroundini ngithini ngam
awu defending
calculate ukuthi kule game le Egypt nangathola i-draw
mfethu
ya le Zimbabwe sowina so
ungekho
uzothola uzothola ipenalty enye
nje singayazi
do you understand sus under pressure
ukhombole Zimbabwe amali
because of when we country
and they know how we play because
some of the players didlala kanye
most of the players they play
didlala momzansi bathi bo abalahlela urila
I cowardly coach it
yabo so like kamela plan sharp
so bafethu anisitsheleni ukuthi nicabangani which team you think is going to take yeah of course I mean I already said my piece I said Mzansi South Africa bafana yizo boke kanjalo
yeah usuke Prosma ke ukuba icoward
akele ukuba arrogant futhi
abantu labayamfi
asibonise ukuthi qualify kanjani asibonise ukuthi qualify kanjani
ngithola advantage abanayo phela yiyo le
country
thina sikwazi ukudlala idisk
emkwana mfana besilokhu sikhuluma ngawe masilokhu siza kanje kule podcast ethu manje mfana ngiyasola ukuthi bakisaphi
nitsasadlala intwanaka anayona la yini nitsasadlala intwana nitsasadlala
phela mfana bengifeva mara ethe mangibona lama game la
requalifyile so umthona nsasiyo mfela bathi umlahlela into a deep end tournament pressure rayini macala so
ngabufaka bodlile kule deep end
usosaye ngwe
beterinyana phela nomkwana bona azana ke qualify whatever but wadlalo nacho wala but lotwana sakhe
usosaye ngwe that one is too deep. That lodge, that one is too deep.
Like it's personal, that lodge.
Yeah, it's too deep. That one.
You kahle kahle ulwana lo chulwa nathi futhi ama friends wakhe.
I personally.
Okay, let's be realistic. Nakho ke Mkwana for lodge. Mkwana for lodge. Judging by the stats and everything, Mkwana for lodge. Who would you choose? Ukuthula kwabo kungiphile answer yami. Thank you ngiyabonga. Uthula wamfana silence.
Hayi lama ngikhuluma next yabo.
But I know ukuthi ngeke amkhethe.
Kunezinto ezibhala.
Hayi ngokukhetha mina ngithi according to nina Mkwana Lodge. Which player do you go with?
Esquadini.
Answer the question.
Or as players.
Khuluma ngesquad.
Isikhathi sesikhona umfuke ngokhona esikhohle indaba kaloshi kancane.
Phendula iquestion manje ngiyenza i-trivial.
Okay, singichoose.
So I'm asking you a question. Asikhohle ngalento what size?
Singichoose.
Awulocheka lo personal too much ntwana.
Mkwana Lodge.
Hayi too deep mfana. Too deep.
Uzochoose Mkwana.
Yeah, valid reasons behind it.
Cause bulebelela la kule project le. Ulodge bekangekho. And the Lodge individual player.
Okay, sharp.
Not choose isikangikhetha.
You also included. Yeah, izinto yakho ne. And I'm not disputing it. That's your opinion, right?
It's too deep.
Mina into ngisho.
Lodge too deep.
It deep regarding whatever the scandals and everything shenanigans. So Mkwana for Lodge. Okay, we check apart from South Africa.
We are not checking apart. We are talking about
Bafana. He was not part of the project, but he was part of the project from Bafana Sadlala, not preparing for these things. But he was also part of the project.
Which one?
So which project are you talking about?
It's about to go down.
Release.
Kuze bamrelease lena ngithi lochwadelela bathi lochwadelela
Lodge ugcina ukudlala Egypt.
Agcina kora vele.
Ngiyavukona le.
Ubambe kakhosha la.
Baxter.
Manje le ndaba leyo ukuthi uLodge udelela uHugo ngendawo zokuthi okay wena coach lengilenge like kuyapi.
Lezo into zamanje mara uShuge project nika Hugo angaze ngimbona.
So you saying Lodge has never played not even one game. So yeah, now I'm trying to piece the puzzles ukuthi how did this come about ukuthi uLodge wadelela uHugo wathi wena focus a coach and mina I'm a player.
Maybe we should be interview somewhere bambuza ngebafana.
It doesn't make any sense, but yeah, I mean, I'll choose Lodge.
Ikanjalo mfethu amabhaya pheka njenge Liverpool Salah. USalah bebam-interview bambuza ngeLiverpool waphendula same thing. I-coach ayizangelanda uSalah yamphendula. Iphendule nayo ku-interview ukuthi hayi lo wenze so. Okay, hayi team izodila na directing le. Yangithola. Azange bakhulume so. So I think it's something like that.
Enzakele somewhere not straight kuye.
No, ayenzakalanga so. I think yazi kanjani. Ika so uLodge bekashisa njengoba bekadlala nakuPirates ashisa. But ucoach bekangamkhithi.
Because they were khuluma ngakhona but there's like something personal behind it.
Mabam interview maybe uLodge ukuthi because apha ama player ababa interview ababuza ukuthi manje ngoba ungekho esquadini what yangithola. Maybe naye babambuza ukuthi